Freaking crazy. Good thing for the 2 cameras. Alright guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. So I'm just hopping on camera right quick to unbox my EFILE. It's the MelodySusie one. I'll leave a link for it in the description box. Scissors right quick. Guys, I already have the Young Girls EFILE that came with the mystery box, but I think I'm going to choose that just for pedicures. So this is what you see. I'm recording on another camera too, so first take the box off. That's so cute.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That's crazy. Freaking crazy. Good thing for the 2 cameras. This is it straight out of the box. It's so cute. Let's see what else they have in the box. Nothing else in there. It's just the basics. I already have all of these. And then a large barrel. This one is actually cute. I like that. So those back in the box. I don't know if you can see that, but so that's that. Let's see how much juice this thing has. Yes. Oh, jeez. Okay. This has a 2-prong. First time I've seen that. Looking at the handpiece, and then So it looks like it has some juice. I'm gonna peel this plastic off. I hate stuff like this. This is only at 15. Jeez. This is at 30. And this is on reverse. That's at 22. It's really loud. But it's super lightweight. Oh, okay. I love it. I love it. So let me undo this. This is to turn it on and to adjust the speed, and then forward and reverse. You know, forward if you're a righty, reverse if you're a lefty. That's pretty much it. This is where you attach the power cord, and then this is where you attach the handpiece. So the handpiece, you twist to unlock, put your bit in, lock it back. It doesn't move. This hooks onto here.